emotions in your writing. All right? So questions on the similarities and differences.
Is that
Take a picture. Take a picture. It will show up on a final exam.
Where the heck is my phone?
Write it down. Take a picture. It will show up on a final exam. I'm going to erase it in 20, 19,
Whoa.
18,
Whoa, where the heck is my phone?
16, 15, 14, 13, 12.
I did take notes, but it would be nice to have both.
At this point, I can only count backwards.
Jeez, Louise. Where the heck is how many people does it take to get
3, 2, 1.
No!
All right.
That noise.
That almost made me feel guilty.
I don't think it did.
No, not really. All right.
It was funny
So
though.
now you know the differences between persuasive and argumentative. Now we need to talk about writing format. When did you guys learn how to write an essay? 5th grade? 5th grade. Yeah?
Earlier this year.
What?
Yeah, I've been homeschooled my whole life. Yeah, you don't have to write. You don't have to write essays.
And what did your teachers tell you? Okay, essays have certain parts. Yes.
Well,
All
probably
right.
when you gotta.
Let's
you
name them. Wait, what is the first
You
thing?
probably have to write
What's
an essay.
Okay, so we have our intro. Right? And the intro includes your thesis and your hook. What is the hook?
It's something to get
Something to pull your
Grab the
attention.
reader's interest. Right? Okay? What is next? If you can't remember,
Then it's the first, like the
Body
I'm
paragraph.
trying to look at that.
so I have body paragraph number 1,
Number 2, number 3.
body paragraph number 2, and body paragraph number 3. Then what? I have my conclusion. And in my conclusion, I echo the thesis statement. All right?
Yeah.
Okay, does that look familiar?
Yeah.
So how many paragraphs is that?
5.
5. How many of you know the 5-paragraph essay? You know it so well you could do it in your sleep.
No.
Right? Yep.
Well,
Guess what?
So when I'm sleeping, so
I just
What?
What?
I just wrote that down. I did it.
Days of the
Really?
5-paragraph
Guys can't see
essay
that?
are over.
What?
Because it's bigger.
Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, now you are in high school.
So?
You know the format.
you want to see?
This is easy.
Essays can be longer than 5 paragraphs. Essays
So can
should
life, but
Do they have
be
to be?
longer than 5 paragraphs. Essays must be longer than 5 paragraphs. Why? So let's talk about
So
that.
if you do
Why did your
one
teachers
extra
teach you the
sentence.
5-paragraph essay?
So we didn't have to do work,
Because it's a format.
and it's easier.
And they wanted you to start thinking in that format. Intro, body 1, body 2, body 3, conclusion. Okay? Now that's the format. Now you're older, and I promise you, next year, if you write a 5-paragraph essay, your teachers will fail you.
Why?
Because it's too little.
It's just too elementary.
Why?
Because it is.
But I wrote these in middle school. What if I say 2 random sentences and they count as my
Blake,
entire
are you
paragraph?
planning on college?
Straight from easy to
Yes,
hard.
you are. Want to know how I know?
No.
Hey, those of you who are planning on college,
Maybe I should just.
if you
My
don't
mom
start
is.
learning how to write for longer periods of time, that first 10-page paper your freshman year is going to be a killer.
Yeah.
It's going to be a killer.
Okay? Mocking, not good.
I will make sure that it's writing about a
Mocking,
killer.
not accepted. Don't make fun. Thank you. Sam,
What if you're going to art college?
you'll still have to write papers.
Yeah, you'll still have like the English.
You'll still have to write papers.
Yeah, you don't go to college and just focus on the thing you're wanting to do. You have to go through all the normal courses.
Yep. Any college you go to, you are going to have to do general education classes, which is your English, your math, your science, your history. You have to.
No, not science.
Why do we have to?
Still have to do it there.
I know.
Okay? All right. So now,
I do.
now that you're all caught color, let me just back you down for a minute and say,
Those equations are easy.
I don't expect you to write a 10-page paper for me this year. Okay? I don't expect you to write a 5-page paper for me this year.
7.
Okay? The longest paper I will ask you to write me this year would be a 3-page paper, which is generally a 7 to 10 paragraph.
Okay, not bad.
Okay? Not bad. All right? As you get further on, they're going to ask you to do more and more and more. So my job is to break you of the 5-paragraph essay and get you working towards longer and longer. All right? Does that make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
So your next assignment for me, your next major assignment for me, is going to be a persuasive essay of 7 paragraphs.
Okay.
Which is really only 2 more than you're already used to doing.
Actually,
Doable?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sure.
You're nice? Awesome. Now, what is an essay made up of?
Words.
Paragraphs.
Drama.
So, I am going to teach you now, and this will be on a test, so if you're taking notes, you may want to wake up, stretch your fingers out for a minute, get ready. I'm going to teach you how to write a well-constructed paragraph, okay? A well-constructed paragraph follows this format. Tika.
That's a funny word.
I know, it's a funny word. It's actually an acronym. It's an acronym.
It's not.
And it stands for
Wait, you talk. Wait.
Topic, introduction,
topic,
question,
sentence.
answer.
Topic,
Question, answer? Oh, quote.
quack.
Quack.
Auxiliation.
Okay? So, you're going to have your topic sentence. What is a topic sentence? What is it, Brinley?
To start it off and say what it's about.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay? A lot of people get topic sentence confused with a thesis sentence. I gotta turn the air on. Sorry, skinny people.
Are you sure?
All right, so a thesis statement is what? What's the difference between a thesis statement and a topic sentence? What is it, DJ?
The topic sentence, if I'm correct, is your topic in a sentence, and
Oh.
the thesis.
Wow.
Yeah, that was a pretty circle thing. Yeah.
Circular reasoning
Yeah,
at
that's
its
great.
best.
And then a thesis.
So let me help you.
Yeah.
Let me jump right in here. A thesis statement is what your entire paper is about. A
like
topic
a summary?
sentence
It's like a
is
subject?
what the paragraph will be about.
Oh, so
So
a
it
thesis.
connects to the thesis statement and supports the thesis statement, but it's what one entire paragraph will be about.
So the thesis would be like a headline for the entire like article in like a newspaper, and then the topic sentence would be part of the paragraph.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so where does the topic sentence come in a paragraph? The beginning. It will either be the first or second sentence of a paragraph. Okay?
You know me so well.
Can I help you?
Okay? Quiet down. People are not focusing on me. They're looking at each other. Okay? So we have our topic sentence. What do I mean when I say introduce? What do I mean, Brinley?
Show like what it's about.
Okay, so if my thesis statement is dress code should be banned, yes. And my first paragraph's topic sentence is dress code destroys self-esteem. My introduction, or what I'm going to do with my I, I'm going to introduce how dress code destroys self-esteem. Okay? So I'm going to write one topic sentence. I'm going to write a sentence or two introducing why that statement is true. Then I'm going to use a quote or an example. Okay? Really, a quotation is due more for an argumentative paper, and an example for a persuasive paper. All right? So when you start writing your persuasive papers, you're going to want to come up with examples. So if my persuasive topic is kittens are better than puppies,
That's true.
then my example,
Dogs are so much better.
okay, let's say, all right, if your persuasive topic is that chickens are better than bunnies,
Easy.
please move right away from the dogs and cats. Okay, then I need to come up with an example to prove why that is so.
So I had a dream a few nights ago that I was chasing this bunny.
Yes.
And I was chasing this bunny, and I finally caught it. So I broke its legs and arms, and I put it back on the ground, and it was just hobbling
You're
away
a
from
bunny
me.
basher.
I know.
You just made it torture.
Welcome to our club. Okay? This is how I grew up. That was what we did for fun.
Hey, Blake, I'm gonna tell your mom about
Okay,
that.
so I do my topic sentence, I introduce it, I give a quote or an example, and then I analyze. What's another word for analyze? It's right up there in green.
Explain.
Explain. Okay, so I'm going to analyze or explain how that example proves that chickens are better than bunnies. Okay? So all of that is one paragraph, and it should be between 5 and 8 sentences. Okay? I'm not changing that. Your 5th grade teacher already told you that a paragraph should be between 5 and 8 sentences. All right?
So pretty much we're writing 35 sentences, and that is
At a minimum.
At a minimum.
At a
Okay?
minimum.
Just remember, ladies and gentlemen, this is in the A range, and this
The B.
would be the D range.
Ooh.